Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let me show you how to build an investment broker website. It is not hard, like I will always tell you, it is not something hard for you to do. So before I show you how to build the website, I will show you what the website looks like. We have different languages, as you can see right here. So I've logged into the admin dashboard. So right now, let's log into the user dashboard. So when you enter your email address and password, you click on Access Dashboard. As you can see, this is our user dashboard right here. So let me show you what it looks like. So this script has a lot of features. So let me show you what they look like. So guys, as you can see, this is the website looking beautiful. The website is looking very beautiful, as you can see. So the next thing for us to do now is, let me quickly show you how to build this kind of website. If you know the script for this website, kindly send me a DM on Telegram or on WhatsApp so you can get the script. So let's get into how to build this kind of website. So if you want to build this kind of website, you'll be needing a domain and hosting. Yeah, just your domain and your hosting. So after you've gotten your domain and hosting, you'll be given a cPanel login. For me, I got my domain and hosting from HostGrid. As you can see, hostgrid.com. Check out their website and choose any of your preferred plans. As you can see, they have different plans right here, and you can as well go for VPS hosting. All right, okay, let's continue. So I have my cPanel login. So when you log into your cPanel, you go over to File Manager. So when you go to your File Manager, you click on public_HTML. Okay, so you click on upload. Let's upload the script. Okay, you select the file. Let's select the file. This is it right here. You click on open. So you wait for this bar right here to turn green before you can click on go back home. So while this is downloading, let's go and create database. So in your cPanel, you go over to databases. You click on database wizard. Let's enter our database name. So you click on next step. So let me enter the same name. So you enter your password. Make sure you use a strong password. So you click on create user. So right here, you accept all privileges. So you scroll down and click on make changes. As you can see, this name was added to the database. Alright, let's go back and check if our file has downloaded. As you can see, it has downloaded, so you click on go back home. Here we have our script. So like I said, if you need the script, kindly send a DM on WhatsApp or Telegram so you get the script. Okay, let's right click on it. You click on extract files. You click on close. As you can see, we've extracted it. So right here we have our .env file. So here we are going to edit our .env file. So let's right click on it. You click on edit. As you can see, we have a database connection right here. So we are going to enter the database name, the database user, and the password we just created. So let's quickly enter that. So for our app URL, we are going to enter our domain name. So after you've done that, you click on save changes. As you can see, changes has been made. Okay, let's go over to download our SQL file so we can connect it to our scripts. As you can see, this is our SQL file right here. So let's open the folder. You right click on it, you click on download. It has downloaded. So now we go over to our cPanel home. So you scroll down to database, you click on PHP MyAdmin. This was the database name we created. You click on it. So you click on import. Let's import our SQL file that we just downloaded. Alright, you click on choose file. So you scroll down and click on import. Import has been successfully finished. Okay, right now we are going to click on admins right here. So let's set up the admin email and password. So you click on edit right here. Okay, let's go over to the email. So let's enter our email. So for the password, you scroll down, you click on this password _hash parentheses PHP function. Alright, for those parts, you enter your password. Let me just say this is my password. After you've done that, you scroll down, you click on go. Okay, so now let's load up our website. Let's open up our website. As you can see, we have our website up and running, and the website is looking very fine. It's looking attractive. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking very attractive. All right, let me scroll up for you to see. Okay, so now let's log into the admin. So right here you enter /admin login, then /remedy. You click on go, you click on enter. Here we have our admin. So let's sign in to our admin. So you enter the email address and the password you just set at the admin. So you click on sign in to admin panel. As you can see, this is our admin dashboard. So let's go over to manage users. Let's scroll down to the settings. You click on app settings. Right here we have the website information, so you enter your website name, your website title, the description, website keyword, your website URL right here, and you fill up the forms right here. You can choose file, so you click on update. After that, you move on to preference. Here we have contact email, and this will be your domain email. You have the website currency. As you can see, we have the home page URL. So let me show you how to create a domain email. So you go over to our cPanel. So when you go back to your cPanel, you click on email accounts. So you click on create, you enter your username and password. For me, I'll be using one of those email accounts I have here. So let me use one of this. So let's paste it in our contact email. Paste it right there. As you can see, we have the announcements, weekend trade, translation. So you can turn them on and off. You can see you have the KYC verification. So whatever changes you made here, you scroll down, then you click on save. Success, as you can see. Now let's go over to the email configuration. So right here, the email from is going to be the same email we just pasted now. So let me go over to our cPanel. Let me go over to the email I used. So you click on connect devices. As you can see, we have our SSL/TLS settings right here. So here we have the outgoing server. So let's copy the outgoing server. So we are going to paste it here on the SMTP host. So our SMTP port will be 465, as you can see right here. Then our SMTP username will be the email name. So let's copy and paste it there. Here in the email from name, let me just enter the name. And for our SMTP password, let me enter the password I used when creating the email I used right here. So after that, you scroll down and click on save. Settings saved successfully. Right here we have the module. Let's click on that. This section describes how you want to use the script. As you can see, investments, crypto swap, you can disable or enable this, as you can see. So right here you scroll down and let's go to the settings. So let's go to payment settings. As you can see right here in the payment settings, you can enable or disable any payment method. As you can see, we have Solana, credit cards, and the rest. We have this eye icon. Let's click on the eye icon. So as you can see, for Solana, we have the minimum amount, the maximum. As you can see right here, the wallet address, the image URL. You can as well choose file. So after you've made the changes here, you click on save changes. If we go back to the settings once again, click on the drop down. Let's check the swap settings. As you can see, we have the on and off. You can, exchange fee. We have the asset name, the asset symbol, the status, and their options. As you can see right here. So whenever you make any changes here, you click on save. So it is as simple as that, as you can see. So that is how you can build this investment trading website. That's how you can set it up. If you need the script, I'll leave my contacts in the description of this video. So you send me a DM for you to get the script. So if you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.